Welcome back. Telangana Assembly సమావేశాలను లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Honorable members in this assembly, sir. 57. So we have to respect each and every honorable member, even though they got elected for first time or 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. My request to honorable member is don't get into the total intricacies what they speak. They have just come to assembly, they were trying to express their opinions, try to understand it on the broader thing. You know, you have to accommodate everybody and try to go along with it.
రికార్డును పరిశీలించి నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంటాను. అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓఎస్ సాబ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ पर
मैं सब्जेक्ट पर ही छू सर, but before going on the subject sir, first I am going to mention the details of the work which was questioned, and after that I'll come on my subject sir.
Please.
Sir, Old City sir, the abstract of work taken up as on 6/2/23 sir, expenditure incurred in Old City after formation of Telangana state sir. EHTSS unit numbers quantity 6 amounting to 731.37 crores. Augmentation of PTRS numbers 11 amount 64.18 quantity 1 sir, crores sir. Sir, other works LS 84.39 sir. The total works completed sir. The works completed 879.94 sir. Sir, the work under progress is 66.35 crores sir. The total amount of work sanctioned in Old City are 946.29 crores sir. Sir, now